And we will still have that slight chance for a few thunderstorms. Nothing to slow you down right now. And as we go through the day today, coverage is going to stay pretty low out there for us. But yes, let's talk about it, as we will have some issues maybe from time to time as we get into tomorrow. Not so much today, taking you out to the airport. If you do have some travel plans for today, breezy, warm, humid. You can see how warm it is. 73 degrees we're looking at now. Those winds gusting 26 miles per hour. So it's going to be very breezy out there for us. Lower 70s all around here for you this morning. Plano, Richardson at 73, along with Grand Prairie and Arlington here this morning. Now, as we go through the day today, we're going to see the mostly cloudy skies out there. A few showers, again, can't be ruled out from time to time early today, but the better chances will come this afternoon and evening and probably stay north and west of Dallas and Fort Worth mainly. We'll get to our timecast after the temperatures here today. We'll be warming into the low mid 80s area wide. So, yes, it is going to be another warm day out there for us. So here's that timecast. Coverage, again, with the showers and storms does remain pretty low, mainly out toward north and west, and probably later this evening when we start to see that activity moving into the area. But again, not a whole lot as far as rain and storms are concerned during the day today. A little bit better chance as we head into tomorrow. Maybe a few showers and isolated storms early in the day. This is around midday on Wednesday. And then as we go through the day, it looks like that coverage will increase across the area as we head into the evening. And I do think as we head toward midnight and after on Wednesday, the showers and storms will be winding down. Now, here's that severe risk this evening and tonight. Marginal to slight, hail and wind going to be the main concerns. And a similar setup as we head on into tomorrow. We'll have that marginal to slight risk a little farther north than west, with large hail, damaging winds again being the main concerns out there for us. So again, the coverage is going to stay fairly low over the next few days, but we will be keeping an eye on it, especially for tomorrow. I do want to bring meteorologist Maria Ruiz in once again to talk more about the setup and what we're going to be looking at here over the next couple of days.
Right. And, you know, we talk about the setup very often whenever we're looking at coverage wise and why we're not seeing thunderstorms take shape for everybody. So let's go ahead and talk about it, because what we're dealing with now is just an influx of moisture coming in from the Pacific. And you can see that in the form of cloud cover. But something that you can't really see is this dry line. What a dry line basically is where dry and humid air come together, and that's really a focal point for showers and thunderstorms this time of the year. That, and you have this Gulf moisture coming in, and you pretty much have most of the ingredients for thunderstorms. So let's talk about why the potential for severe is there. Warmth and sunshine does tend to increase the instability with highs in the 80s. That's in place. Strong south winds tends to increase the moisture, which is the second ingredient needed for thunderstorms. We have that with the southerly wind. And then you need what's called a lift. Where that dry line is, it's far west Texas into the Panhandle. That's where you get this lift. The thing that is missing is a strong low pressure overhead that tends to amplify any storm development. With that being said, our coverage will stay relatively low today because we're not fully there with all of the ingredients on our list. But we could pick up anywhere between a trace to a quarter inch of rainfall through Wednesday with these scattered rain chances that Greg was telling us about.
Yeah, we do have it, the chances out there. So just stay weather aware. As Mariel just talked about, the coverage does remain low across the area here the next few days, especially today. Only less than 20% coverage we'll go with as we head into this evening, maybe a little bit higher north and west of the Metroplex, and we'll bump that up a little bit here this evening. Tomorrow we're going to go with about a 40% coverage, 30 to 40% coverage tonight going into tomorrow across the area. And then Thursday, it's going to be a dry day for us. It will be quite warm though, those upper 80s, and then that next slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms Friday going into Saturday. That front moves in, and look at those temperatures. We'll go from around 84 for that high on Friday, only around 70 on Saturday. We'll have some brisk north winds as well. And then as we head on into the latter half of the weekend there on Sunday, a nice cool day Sunday. And then those temperatures not looking too bad even as we get into next week. Maybe some low chances on Monday for a little rain out there, and those temperatures getting back into the low 80s late next week. All right, let's get over to Erica checking on traffic.
Greg.